All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a car mount holder for your phone. Now, I have had numerous amounts of these phone holders for your car. Many are the suction that attach to your dash and they always fall off. They never stay in place. Some are the ratchety ones that kind of click and hold your phone into place with some foam. Others are spring loaded. Either way, all of these make your phone extremely difficult to access at any time. If you're at a red light, you just want to pop your phone off the dash real quick, send a quick message, light turns green, boom, pop it back on there. Well, that's what this is going to allow you to do. This is the Wizgear magnetic car mount. It's universal, as says so on the box. What this is going to allow you to do is use your air vent as your new car phone mount. So let's get this thing open and see what it looks like. See what we get inside the box here. So there we go. Okay, so put that to the side. Yes, and as promised, we have a few different metal plates, which actually seem like they're pretty strong. That's like a good amount of grip. So much it might make me worry about if this is going to be able to hold on to your vent when you pull it off. Let's see. All right, looks like this is our magnetic surface. It looks like they gave you two different sizes. So if your phone vents are thicker, you can use this side. And if not, you can turn it this side. It looks like it'll give you a little bit of a better pinch, which actually was my first concern when using this. Was it going to hold in the air vent? Because these magnets are so strong, is this thing going to hold in the air vent? Am I going to have to like put my hand on it and then remove it? So I already actually use a version of this mount, but it's actually this sticky version. They also make this, Wizgear also makes a version of this that actually comes with 3M backing tape that you can just stick directly to your dashboard. So I use that version currently, and I just keep, see, fell out, stuck right to it. So basically all I do is I just set that in there, and since I use a phone case, it kind of just wedges it in place. And then say if this were stuck to my car, see, holds it nice and firm. This thing, I mean, it really doesn't move at all. The surface of this is like a coated rubber, which is really great, and I really enjoy it in the car. Every time I hit a bump, it sticks really well, and there's no movement to it pretty much. So, oops, accidentally pressed a button, and now I'm on Instagram. So give me a second. I've already used this. I've been using it for about a week, and I gotta say, this thing actually, it's really, really awesome. I totally give this product, for an air vent phone holder, I give this thing a 5 out of 5 stars. Between the rubber coating that doesn't let your phone slip at all, it holds so strong, and it has the two different types of vent sizes. I definitely give this thing 5 out of 5. And if you're considering buying a automobile vent phone holder of any sort, I would definitely make Wizgear the company to go with. So all that aside, thank you guys for tuning in again. Appreciate it. We're going to be doing a lot more product reviews, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below if you've used the Wizgear magnetic car mount, and we'll answer any questions you have. Thanks, guys. Take care.